Hi everyone, welcome back or welcome to ZDNET. I'm Christina Darby, and as an avid group fitness class lover, I'm really excited to share my review of the Fiture Mini Exercise Mirror. The Fiture Mini Exercise Mirror is a smart interactive exercise mirror that employs motion engine technology to track your movement, provide real-time form feedback, and give that in-studio feel right in your home. But does it work, and is it worth it? Watch on for my verdict. First, I think it's important to talk about the design of this mirror, as it will be in your personal space. And I'm happy to report that it's sleek, modern, and very easy to set up. Coming with two stainless steel legs, you just screw them onto the bottom and prop up against whichever wall you want to have it against to do your workouts. Just make sure that whichever wall you choose does have easy access to a power outlet so that when it's time to power the mirror on, you can, but you also will not trip and fall when you are doing movement. When it's time to power the mirror on, look on the side of the mirror for the silver Fiture power button, and voila, it will work. When you want to select a class, your smartphone is the remote control. Go to your smartphone, log into the Fiture app, which is super easy to navigate, select from their variety of classes, either by filter, search, or the custom program that they make you at the beginning. And once you select, the instructor will project onto the class, music will follow from the mirror speakers, and you should be able to see yourself and the instructor as you do your movement. There's also an option to connect a heart rate monitor via Bluetooth. I decided to connect my Apple Watch 8, and the stats from your heart rate will project in the right-hand corner of the mirror. Now let's get into what makes this so special, motion engine technology. I was skeptical that it really would pick up from the tiny camera inside the mirror my movement, whether it was wrong and how many reps I did, but I was pleasantly surprised. It uninterruptedly gave me feedback if my squat wasn't quite right and counted my reps, which was really helpful during intense HIIT workouts where I kind of lost track myself. If you're not too hip on a camera watching you do movement, the Fiture Mini does come with a magnetic sensor cover which just clips on over the camera, and you don't have to worry about anything tracking your movement. Plus, not all of the classes have the motion engine technology built into them, so you can do most of the classes that you want motion engine free. Speaking of the classes, how are they? As a bit of a class snob, I was pleasantly surprised that all of them worked for no matter what level you're at, and there's something for everybody, especially if you want to change up your routine. Of course, there are classes that are easier and more difficult than others, but you can usually find something that works for you. Now, is this really a direct substitute for a class in your home? For me, it was almost there, but just not quite. And while it did have the motivation and feedback from an instructor, I miss my peers working out next to me and the motivation that comes from that. I will give props to Fiture though for displaying a competitive edge and using points that you get from reps or your heart rate to display your rank in the class on the bottom, along with the other people that have joined the class from their own places with you. However, still was not quite convinced to give up my in-studio memberships, as I do like the feeling of camaraderie. But if you do want an investment to have a workout tool that is in your home and that you can do on your own time, this mirror does work, and it is a really, really great tool. But at $750 up front for the hardware, plus a tacked on $25 monthly membership fee, keep in mind that this is an investment piece. Otherwise, you're kind of stuck with a really expensive mirror in your home space. So what do you think? Are you about to go invest in the Fiture Mini Exercise Mirror? For more information, be sure to check out ZDNET for my written review, along with other news and advice pieces about disruptive innovation.